Hey there, buddy. Thomas with Breakout Trading. It is Thursday, January 8th, and we're going to take a look here at the S&P. And this is a setup I've been watching for a while now, but we've been talking about it more and more recently in the trading room. And this is this big ascending wedge on the continuous contract for ES futures. So right at 7,000, we kind of tagged it. We have a resistance zone between 7,000 and 7,015, basically. And then we have this trend line coming up and across the pivot lows over the past couple of months that we've been bouncing off of. And we are coming up to the apex of this ascending wedge. Now, keep in mind, tomorrow is a big news day. So we actually have potential for a catalyst from tomorrow with the rulings on Trump tariffs as well as non-farm payroll to potentially pop this out of this wedge. So keep an eye on it. If we can get above 7,000, I want to see a close above 7,000, and then I think we can get a little bit of follow through and maybe even lead into another rally here in the stock market. If not, though, be careful. If we start to sell off, our first pivot low support is at 68.66 on futures, and then if you come all the way down, our major support, and this is where I would go from, okay, we're consolidating inside of a bull market to potentially turn to a bear market. That's if we get down and close below 65.80. So keep an eye on this. Long term, we've been consolidating really since October. Waiting on this breakout here the next couple of days, potentially either tomorrow or early next week. And then we'll look to get bias from there. But that's it for today. I'm going to be talking about rocket fuel breakouts or breakout trading in general in the trading room and over here at Basecamp here over the next couple of days. We'll be doing webinars and stuff. So keep an eye out for those. But that is it for today. I will see you in the trading room tomorrow. If you are not in the trading room and you want to join us for there, we had some really good trades today. We got long Walmart, for example, on the dip that played out beautifully. We're still in a firm breakouts that played out beautifully. The dip buy there worked out well. The Ford breakout this morning played out really, really well. But lots of good opportunities. If you want to come try out the trading room and get in these trades with us, all you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. But that's it for today. Until next time, everybody. Good luck. Happy trading. Keep an eye on the S&P.